The A-10 Thunderbolt II was supposed to be heading toward retirement. Instead, 2026 is turning into one of the most important years in the aircraft's history. New networking systems, upgraded targeting technology, enhanced precision capabilities, and major structural improvements are transforming the legendary Warthog into something far more capable than many expected. But can these upgrades truly revolutionize close air support? And why are military planners still investing in this aircraft decades after its first flight? Let's find out. The biggest misconception about the 2026 A-10 is that it is simply an old aircraft receiving routine maintenance. In reality, the modernization effort is focused on solving one critical challenge: how to make close air support faster, smarter, and more effective in a world driven by information. For decades, one of the A-10's greatest strengths has been its ability to stay close to ongoing operations and provide support when needed. However, modern operations require much more than endurance. Pilots now operate in an environment where information moves instantly between aircraft, sensors, command centers, and personnel on the ground. This is where the 2026 upgrades become so important. The introduction of Link 16 networking dramatically improves how information is shared. Instead of relying on traditional communication methods alone, the upgraded A-10 becomes part of a larger digital network capable of exchanging information in real time. Think about how modern navigation apps constantly update routes based on changing traffic conditions. The upgraded A-10 is moving toward a similar concept. It gains access to a constantly evolving picture of the environment around it, helping crews make faster and more informed decisions. This transformation may not be as visually dramatic as a new aircraft design, but its impact could be enormous. The speed at which information reaches a pilot can influence every aspect of a mission, from planning to execution. The result is an aircraft that becomes more connected than ever before. Rather than operating as a standalone platform, the A-10 becomes part of a broader information ecosystem. That shift alone represents a major step forward. Yet networking is only one piece of the story. The real revolution begins when these new communication capabilities are combined with upgraded sensors and precision technologies. If information is the foundation of modern close air support, then sensors are the tools that make that information useful. This is another area where the 2026 A-10 is receiving major improvements. The aircraft's upgraded targeting systems are designed to provide clearer imagery, better tracking capabilities, and improved situational awareness. In simple terms, pilots can understand their environment more effectively than before. This matters because modern operations often involve rapidly changing conditions. Having access to accurate information at the right moment allows crews to respond more efficiently and with greater confidence. At the same time, the A-10 is benefiting from expanded precision guided weapon integration. This is one of the most significant aspects of the modernization program because it increases flexibility. Instead of relying on a limited set of options, the aircraft can support a wider range of mission requirements using modern precision technologies. What makes this particularly important is the combination of improved sensors and precision capabilities. Better information allows better decisions, and better decisions improve overall effectiveness. The cockpit itself is evolving as well. Digital displays provide a more organized view of critical information, helping pilots process data without becoming overwhelmed. Modern aviation involves enormous amounts of information, and presenting it clearly can significantly improve performance. Taken together, these upgrades are changing how the A-10 operates. The aircraft is becoming more than a platform designed for persistence. It is becoming a highly connected system capable of gathering information, processing data, sharing updates, and responding quickly. This evolution demonstrates that modernization is not always about speed or appearance. Sometimes the most important changes happen inside the aircraft, where technology quietly improves every aspect of performance. Yet, perhaps the most impressive part of the story is that these upgrades are not designed for the next few years alone. They are part of a much larger effort to ensure the A-10 remains relevant well into the future. One reason the A-10 continues attracting attention is that close air support remains one of the most challenging missions in aviation. Technology changes, aircraft evolve, and new systems emerge, but the need for responsive support has never disappeared. The 2026 modernization package is designed to ensure that the A-10 can continue fulfilling that role in an increasingly advanced environment. One of the most important upgrades supporting this goal is the installation of new wing assemblies. While they may not receive as much attention as digital technologies, these structural improvements extend the aircraft's service life and allow it to remain operational for many more years. This creates an interesting situation. Instead of gradually fading away, the A-10 is gaining additional time to benefit from future technological developments. Every year that the aircraft remains active creates opportunities for further enhancements and integration with emerging systems. At the same time, aviation is moving toward greater connectivity between crewed aircraft, autonomous systems, and advanced sensor networks. Future operations will likely involve multiple platforms working together rather than relying on a single solution. The upgraded A-10 is being positioned to participate in that environment. Enhanced networking allows it to exchange information more effectively, making it a valuable part of a broader operational framework. This is where the idea of revolutionizing close air support becomes particularly interesting. The revolution is not coming from a brand new airframe. It is coming from the combination of proven experience and modern technology. Instead of replacing everything that worked in the past, engineers are building upon it. They are taking a platform known for reliability and enhancing it with the tools required for modern operations. That strategy could significantly extend the aircraft's usefulness while providing decision makers with a capable and flexible option for years to come. The result is an A-10 that looks familiar on the outside, but operates very differently on the inside. And that transformation may be exactly what allows it to remain relevant in a rapidly changing aviation landscape. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.